students, myself JV Dr. Arun Kumar Singh, Faculty of Education Mythology, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University Jaipur. I welcome to all of you in my digital class BSc B.Ed JDVC 6th semester. We will discuss the topic basis of aquaculture. Fish have great significance in the life of mankind, being an important natural sources of proteins and providing contains other useful products as well as economic substances so many nations. Okay, the gradual erosions of commercial fish stock due to over exploitation and alternation of the habitats is one reason why the science, fish biology, and the aquaculture come into existence. The study of fish, ichthyology. Okay, first vertebrates with jaw, cold-blooded animals breathe by means of gills, live in water and move with the help of fins. Okay, evolved just before Ordovician periods and widely distributed during Devonian periods, which is known as the golden age of fishes. Okay, fishes differs in size, shape, habits, and habitats. Smallest Philippine goby and largest whale shark. They live in all the seas, rivers, lakes, reservoirs, canals, tanks, etc. Economically importance, fish liver is the main source of liver oils, source of vitamin A and D, body oils, soap industry and tanneries, and aquarium. Indian fisheries, India 10% of the global fish diversity. See in this chart, according to FAO, reported that in 2007, 52% of global fish stocks were fully exploited, 28% of overexploited are depleted, 20% are moderately exploited, and only in 1% show signs of recovery. All the direct consequence of the fishing efforts expansion from the 1917 onwards. Fish Indian aquatic resources. Seen this table, coastline, exclusive economic zones, rivers and canals, reservoirs, ponds and tanks, oxbow, lake, brackish water and estuaries. Fish production facts. Aquaculture is the farming of aquatic organisms including fish, molluscs, crustaceans, and aquatic plants. Farming implies some form of intervention in the rearing process to enhance production, such as regular stocking, feeding, protection from predators, etc. Farming also implies individuals' ownership of the stock being cultivated. Thank you.